Hey YouTube, BD Kane 721 back again, but this time was something a little bit different. I'm not much of a box breaker, but every now and again I get that itch that I need to scratch. And a couple of videos ago I showed off that I bought a hobby jumbo box of 2019 Topps Series 2 and paid a pretty good penny for this box. But with the idea that I'm trying to get a few or maybe a couple base rookie cards of Fernando Tatis and maybe hit something special. There's a lot of good stuff in this product, I think, more than normal. And Series 2 tends to be a little better than Series 1, although it doesn't have some of the players that you'd be looking for. Like, in fact, I don't even think it has Mike Trout in this series, although maybe he's got some inserts in here, but his base card's in Series 1, I believe. So, I'm going to bust open this box today and see what I get. Hopefully, wish me luck. I hope I can grab some of the hot rookies, especially Tatis. And here we go. Let's check it out. Let's see what's in here. I think this might be the second or third jumbo box that I've opened in my life. I don't normally buy jumbo boxes. Usually just hobby boxes. I've got my trusty card sleeves here. Even brought in some top loaders in case I hit something really, really nice. So let's get through it. There's 10 packs. Big old jumbo packs of the product. There's 46 cards. And of course it won't. Anyway, there's 40, so just trust me, there's 46 cards in each pack. Here are the odds, which, as you can see, there's a lot of things to read through there, so I won't try to focus in on that. Each pack has, well, actually I just mentioned that, 46 cards, and there's 10 of them. So 460 cards approximately. They do say on the front of the box that if you get a special insert card that the packs can have less cards in them. So let's see. Starting off with a Matt Harvey. Here's a Kikuchi rookie card. Victor Reyes. These cards look like they're in pretty good shape. I was a little worried. It looks like there might be some dented corners on the top right. I've seen some videos where cards have come in these boxes a little bit dented. DJ Stewart, so that was a big concern. It's one of the reasons why I like Chrome so much, because they're so much more durable. Here's a Clint Frazier Future Star. It's going to be a long video, guys. I'm sorry about that. Here's a Robert Stock rookie card. I'm going to have to go back through these cards and see if I've gotten any super short prints or photo variations. If you see any, shoot me a comment. Here's a Wilson Contreras 80. Is this an 84 gold version? This is numbered. Wow, it's numbered to 50. That's pretty cool. Not the best player in the world to get. The card itself has got a little bit of maybe a damaged corner on it. I can't really tell right now. I'll look at it a little bit closer later. There's a Steven Gonzalez 150, 150 years. Yadier Molina. I'm going through it like this because I want to make sure I don't miss any hot rookies. So it's going to be, it's got Kingery Future Star. It's going to be a relatively long video, so I apologize again. And Freddie Prop. Okay. So nothing big out of that except for the numbered card out of 50, which I think, always like to see those. Just like to see them with a better player on it. don't like the fact that I have to flip the cards over every now and again, but hey, that's just the way it is. Christian Stewart rookie card. Well, got another Kikuchi and another Victor Reyes. So those obviously come together. Goes a helicopter over my office. Here's a Javi Baez home run challenge. Wonder if that's still good. I don't know what the rules are of that. Tyler O'Neill autograph. So you get one autograph in each box. And here's my autograph. It's an 84 Tyler O'Neill, not numbered. Kind of a bummer. I don't know much about Tyler O'Neill. Maybe he's a decent rookie. I don't know. Not even sure if he is a rookie. So now I'm just hoping I can find some of the hotter rookie cards to make up for that. Chances of getting a really good autograph is pretty low. So I'm not going to be too down on that. I figured I would get somebody who wasn't going to be that notable. All right. These first two packs. So we do have two relic cards coming. So hopefully we'll hit something good out of those. Looks like we have a gold in here. Albies Future Star. There's a Tatis. There we go. Nice. Excited I got at least one. Looks like it's in okay shape. Might have maybe one little issue in the top left corner here. But all in all, not bad. And I got the gold Longoria right behind it, numbered at a 219. And then my foil is Johnny Field, rookie card. So at least it's a rookie card foil. Rainbow foil. But I don't know if you can see, but it's hard to see, but this corner here is got some issues. So just a word of caution on these cards. You buy these cards, you're taking a chance. This could be a short print, I think. 515 Series 2. That might be a short. I don't know. Not sure. Manny Machado goes for the PC. It's Padres. So definitely be careful when you're buying flagship products throughout the years. They're not very good at taking care of the cards and their packaging. Alright, so not a bad pack. Got my Tatis. Not sure it would grade well. Have to look at that corner a little bit more, see if it's even worth the idea of sending it in. Still looking for the, what do you call it, the relics. Definitely getting some duplicates, which I'm a little surprised about, but that's Topps for you. Hope I get a duplicate of a Tatis. Lance Lynn Gold, which is numbered at a 219, right? Yep, numbered at a 219. And another foil of Jake Cave. And again, same issue with this foil as in the other foil. Has a dented corner, pretty visible when you look at it. Jacob deGrom. Austin Meadows, shout out to Bob Lewis. All right. Not too much in that pack. I think this will be halfway through here on this pack. This one is really damaged on the top. It's got a ding here, and both of these corners are definitely have issues. This is Steven Gonzalez. I guess this would be a blue version. They're not numbered, but a blue version of Luis Severino. 1984 version. That's a nice one. Yohan Moncada, gold, out of 219. And right behind it is a rookie of Vladimir Guerrero. Too bad it wasn't a foil version, because before we got the gold, we get the foil version right behind it. So, very nice. Hit number 2 rookie card. Actually, this one looks like it's in... Well, still has a little bit of an issue with the top left corner. So, you can get these things in PSA 10s. You're probably hitting gold doing that, because it doesn't look like a lot of these are coming that way in the packs. So Robin Yount. It's kind of cool. Cedric Mullins. There's an Eloy Jimenez rookie. This one's in a little better shape than the other one, the other rookies. Okay. Not bad. Another pack. This is pack number 6. Looks like we have a relic in here. Our first relic of the 2. Any rookie I think that I'm missing right now is Alonso. Got a DJ Stewart rookie gold. That's pretty cool. Looks like we have... He's at a 219. And then it's a Boston Red Sox Mookie Betts. Whoa, pretty cool. One of those MLB logos. I've never seen those before. It's numbered at a 50. There we go. Numbered at a 50. Really nice card. It looks like it's in pretty good shape too. That's nice. Let's see if I have a top loader for that type of card. Too bad Mookie Betts is a Dodger now. I'm going to have to see him every season quite a bit. There's Machado. Walker Buehler Rookie Cup. Not a bad pack. Definitely take that card. Pack number 7. Shout out to San Diego, Petco Park. Foil of Kevin Newman. I do like the foil cards, but again, once again, it still has the same issue in the top left corner. Not sure what this is. Clemens' greatest moments. There's a Wade Boggs. So no Pete Alonso just yet. There's a Ohtani Rookie Cup. Okay. Not much in that pack. 3 packs left. Might have a relic in this one. Looks like a thicker card in there. Got Kikuchi in the gold. It's kind of nice. It's a decent card. Looks like it's in good shape as well. I don't know what kind of player Kikuchi is, but definitely look him up. Willie Adames foil. Rookie Cup. And Nolan Ryan. Very cool. Gold. I guess it's a gold version. Looks like it's a bat relic, which is kind of interesting for a pitcher. But that's also numbered out of 50. 7 of 50. Not a bad card. There's a lot of Nolan Ryan fans out there. So 2 pretty good relics in the box. Alright, so now I'm just looking this last bit of cards. I'm looking for a Pete Alonso or maybe a duplicate of one of the other rookies. I think Alonso is a Series 2 card. I'm pretty sure. Alright, 2 more packs. That just looks like a short print, the way he's looking, but who knows. Dustin Pedroia. Is he even still playing these days? The gold is a Keone, number 219. You get a good amount of gold cards, which I'm surprised about. Here's a cool card, a black version, which are numbered to 67. I wish it would focus. There we go. 12/67 of Jeter and no, that's not Jeter. Sanchez and Aaron Judge. That's cool. I like that card. I think you only get blacks in the jumbo. I might be wrong on that. This is a, I don't know, Dennis Eckersley iconic card. Troy Tulowitzki, no longer in the league. All right, one more pack. Let's see if we can grab an Alonso out of here. Or one of the other guys. Would be nice. Gold of Tommy Hunter, number 219, and a foil of Steven Strasburg. And does it have the same issue? Yes, it does. Same issue in the top left corner. It's a shame. I would definitely rate the product low because of the ability to get decent cards out of here. All right. Doesn't look like we're going to pull one. It's okay. We got the other three. Got some good relics. Some decent numbered cards as well. Up. Oh, look at that. Spoke too soon. Pretty good shape too. This one corner has been rounded off. You can kind of see it. So definitely not going to grade all that well. But nice to see that I hit one. I hit one of each of the rookie cards. That's it, guys. No more packs. That was a lot of fun. Not a bad box, I think. Disappointed by the auto, but got really lucky on two really good relic cards, numbered out of both of them numbered out of 50, and then I did get that one black version numbered out of 67, and a bunch of good golds. Hope everybody enjoyed it. Sorry for the long video, and I will, if you liked it, hit me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. See ya.